So hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So today in this video we are going to learn how do we create an account on Lovoo. So Lovoo is basically a dating app where you can find many people and match your interest. So firstly you should have an Lovoo app. Just click on the app. Now here you can see we care about your privacy and read this and accept it all. Get started. Continue with Google. If you want to continue with Google, you can go with Google. If you want to continue with Facebook, you can go with Facebook, and you can log in with email as well. Let's go with Google account because it's the easiest process. Type your name, type the date of birth, your date of birth. I'm just taking this for example, so I'll write it for name and date of birth 8 who you are, male or female, choose one. Upload the latest photo. You have to upload the photo here which you have. I'll go with this for the only example. Change photo. No, I'll keep the photo. What you are really looking for. If you are for something serious, just go for serious. New friend or chat, I'll go for new friends or chat. Who you are interested in. If you are interested in woman, just go for woman. If you are interested in men, you can go for men, and if you are interested in both, you can go for anyone. Let's go for men right now. Continue with profile. How tall you are. I don't think this is important, but if you want to fill, you can do it. I'll just skip it. Now it will take a little time to process. Now continue. While using app, awesome. Now you can swipe right if you like this person. You can swipe left if you don't like this person. So, and after the match you will be able to chat from here. So that's it guys. Hope you like our video. If you liked our video, then please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.